Here it is, a bag of goodies, and it is not much, but I hope it will gonna help at least for this guy. I know they have been working so hard. When I get out around 5 o'clock or 5:30, they're out already picking up trash by other humans, and it's heartbreaking. Only if I become a millionaire, I'm gonna help them all. Hi, are you sleeping? Are you cold? You okay? Yeah, this for you. Yeah, drink the milk now because it will be very hot later. Okay? Thank you. Are you okay? Are you sick? You're not sick? You don't understand. It's okay. It's okay. Whenever you need anything, just come here and let me know. I stay there in that apartment.